Okay, just got my Cuddy Lite, and I'm gonna unbox this thing. We're gonna use this in our 1966 Bulls Arrow instead of the toilet that's in there. Actually, we're gonna take the toilet that's in there out. Okay, it looks like we got some little bits of info. Looks packed really well. There she is in all her glory. Looks like you got a light there. You're inside here. I'm imagining that opens that. I think it's probably taped closed. Okay, I'm gonna take a look in here. Okay, very interesting. And that's cool. It holds itself. You don't need to mess with it. What we got here? I'm gonna have to read the instructions, I think. Looks like this is all easy grab and pull. There's the urine thing. Looks like you kind of gotta take one out. There's the little motor that's gonna make the composting happen. Oh yeah, that's actually hold quite a bit of urine. Interesting. I'm excited to see how this works. I have a little crappy composting toilet. It's just like a bucket that you throw a bag in, and everything goes in the same spot, and it's actually too small. This appears to be, it's smaller than a regular toilet, but not much. Really cool.